back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. This is my everyday go-to look. I wear this makeup look whenever I'm hanging out with friends, hanging out at home, running some errands. Whenever I just feel like getting cute, I throw on this look. It's a 10 to 15 minute look, super easy, super quick. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching.
So to start off, I start with a fresh, clean face. Then I go in with my Glam Glow moisturizer to make sure my face is fully moisturized before I start my makeup. You know, you gotta have that smooth, that silky for your makeup to apply really nice and easy. Then I like to take my Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist and I spray it all over my face, make sure it dries correctly. I love using a setting spray before my makeup just because I feel like my makeup sets a lot better. Then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color 211. And I love this foundation because it matches me pretty well. It is really hard for me to find a really good foundation that matches my skin tone. When I'm a little bit lighter, I like to use the color 210 and mix it in, just because you know your girl has not been getting a lot of sun lately. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Sonia Kashuk Makeup Beauty Blender that I got from Target, and I blend that all over my face. This beauty blender is so cheap and I love the color. First of all, it's marble, like hello, so cute. And I love the fact that it does not take my makeup off. You know how beauty blenders sometimes do that. So I just blend everything out, make sure it's all nice and seamless and smooth. Then I take my Morphe M439 brush, which is like a buffer brush, and I just buff out that foundation, really giving it a seamless look, super smooth, making sure it's all nice. Then I'm going to go ahead with my NYX HD Studio Concealer in the color 06. And sometimes I like to apply 1 or 2 layers of this foundation. It is water-based in my opinion, so I would say it's light to medium coverage, just like the foundation. So if you want a really nice full covered under eye, I would definitely recommend 2 or 3 layers even if you want. But I love the coverage. Then I'm going to go ahead with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender, and I like to blend this out. Make sure again it's nice and seamless. Once that is nicely blended out, I like to take my Pretty Vulgar setting powder in the color Matte About It, and I am obsessed with this powder, you guys. Like, it is honestly the only translucent powder that does not give me creases. It was so hard for me to find this. So I like to first apply it with my beauty sponge. I find that it really gives me that seamless look. Then I use the Morphe brush M554 and I dust off any excess and just smooth it out. I don't know, I just like how this brush feels, honestly. Then I'm going to take my MAC brush 168 and my Morphe bronzer in the color Debutante. I love this bronzer, you guys. Like, it just is super nice on my skin tone. It really warms up my face. And it's very buildable, which I love. I like to take it from the middle of my cheek and drag it up. And just blend out in a circular motion. Then I'm going to take my Boutique Oval brush and the same bronzer and bring it right down the bridge of my nose. It honestly gives me like the perfect line and makes nose contouring so easy. As you can see. Then I like to take my Morphe brush M173 and just blend that out. I like to go in a circular motion and up and down the bridge of my nose. I feel like going in a circular motion helps so much. Once my nose is all blended out, I like to take my MAC Rosin Powder Blush and just apply that right on my cheeks. I don't have like a specific way that I apply blush, but I definitely try to keep it very lightweight. Once I am done with that, I take my Morphe Filter Effect finishing powder. I love this powder, you guys. along with my Eco Tools powder brush, and I just like to blend everything together. Once I'm done with that, I take my e.l.f. Clear Brow Mascara and I apply this right onto my brow, ready to do my brows. This helps with the powder to stay all day. Then I take my MAC 263 small angled brush and my 3D Contour Artist powder in the darkest color, and I apply it at the end of my brow. I like to go for the ombre brow effect, so I start with the darkest color first. Then I go ahead with the second to darkest color, which is just a little bit lighter, and I do the inner corner of my brows. So it kind of goes from lightest to dark and really gives you that ombre effect. Once I'm done with that, I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I use this to sculpt out my brow. I love it because it has a flat nozzle and it helps you do it right from the tube. It has like an extra brush that comes right with it, so it's perfect. As you can see, it really sculpts out the brows. Helps so much, honestly. If you really want to go for a more natural look, just don't even sculpt your brows, but if you want that look, you know you gotta sculpt them brows. So once I am done applying the concealer, I like to go in with my illuminator brush and start at the bottom of that concealer and just drag it down and really blend it out. Really give it that seamless, nice, buffed out look. And this is perfect if you want to wear like some eyeshadow. You literally could just put a little bit more concealer on and apply your eyeshadow right there. But not wearing any eyeshadow today, so. Then I like to take any old spoolie, honestly, any brow brush that you have, and just keep brushing it out. I feel like it really helps it give it that natural look, and it blends out the eyeshadow powder a lot more. Once I'm done with that, I like to go in with my brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store. Honestly, you can use any lip liner for this. I personally like to use either a dark brown or a light brown sometimes, but right now I'm using a dark brown, and I mix it with my favorite lip gloss ever, Revolution Sheer Brilliant in the color 121 Heck Turner. Love this lip gloss, you guys. It is such a perfect nude, especially for my skin tone. Then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Illuminating Powder with my fan brush and apply a little bit of highlighter. Just like that on the bridge of my nose, on my cheek, and voila, just like that, and I am done. This is my everyday go-to makeup look. I definitely forgot to record that I sprayed my face about 3 more times with the Pixie setting spray. Don't ever forget to set that face.
So I wanted to add a little bonus clip in for you guys because I have been wearing a lot of blue eyeliner lately. This has been my go-to look. I mean, this is my everyday go-to look, but lately I've been wearing a lot of blue eyeliner. So I just wanted to put that in there. So I have been using the Lifelong Lasting Electric Blue Liner. You can get this at any beauty supply store. This one is super pigmented, which I love. So any eyeliner that you use, whether it's purple, whatever, make sure it's super, super pigmented. So I go ahead and I just put that along my waterline. So I like to put it on super thick like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. And I use this is definitely a Morphe brush. It looks like the number was wiped off, but I will be adding it to the screen and let you guys know which number it is. I love this little brush. It's a super, super great blending brush. It's perfect for right under the eye. So I just blend that out, going back and forth. I sometimes drag it out. And voila, my signature blue eyeliner. I honestly love this look. I mean, it just like brought some color to my face, like, you know, it's like, okay. I honestly get so many compliments when I wear this. I personally love it. Who knows, I might want to try a few different colors afterwards, but this is definitely my go-to as of now. It has been for a few months. And yeah, I didn't add this in the main video because I feel like not everybody's going to want to do blue eyeliner. So I kind of kept it simple, kept it cool. But, you know, I had to add in the blue liner. Just a little bonus clip just to show you guys because this is what I've been rocking. This is what I love. I think it looks so cute, you know, depending on what you're wearing. I don't know if I would wear it with what I'm wearing. Actually, I would. But if I'm wearing like red, I might not throw some blue eyeliner on. You know, it might not go with my lipstick. But usually it goes with mostly everything. I wear a lot of tan, white, neutral colors. So it goes perfectly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And I will see you guys again soon.